Afternoon, West in the world. Welcome to your review video on this Tuesday, March 24th, from the Boston University African Studies Library, where I had to go directly after our lecture this morning, continuing in that theme of the ideologies of change in the 19th century. Last week we dealt with Romanticism and Darwinism. Today we built on two more of these ideologies, Marxism and nationalism. As Berger told us, what these two share in common is a bond, or is that they try to respond to a felt need in the 19th century for new kinds of community, to respond to this search for community. But they have two very different answers. In the case of Marx's dialectical materialism, history is moving towards a classless utopia, and that unity will come about by the creation or the recognition of the shared situation of people in similar economic circumstances and their decision to revolutionize the world together. So Marx promotes this vision of workers or the proletariat against the bourgeoisie. On the other hand, nationalism, which becomes by far the more popular of the two, nationalism appeals to people on the basis of identity rooted in the nation. And we looked at this through several different lenses, but the theme that we stressed was that in all of the activities and all of the wars and all of the conflicts, whether we're talking about the Fashoda incident in the Sudan, or the Franco-Prussian War, or the unification of Italy, what we see is this sort of competitive striving, a rivalry amongst European states to build what they each would consider to be the greatest nation. And we saw that this is not just an abstract idea, but that it's tangibly rooted in those three sort of criteria that we identified: economic dynamism or strength, military victory, and expansion of territory. And it's that third issue, the expansion of territory, that will be our central theme on Thursday as we move from these ideologies to the practice of new imperialism and the growth of Western empire in the late 19th century. Looking forward to talking with you about that on Thursday. Have a good one.